Hey everyone, this is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC, and today we're showing you a cool little tool from Dirt Tricks that will make the oil change on your KTM and Husqvarna easier and less messy. All right everyone, thank you for checking in. So today we're showing you a cool little tool from Dirt Tricks. This is the Fill Easy. It's an oil filler designed just to make the oil change a little bit easier and less messy on a KTM or Husqvarna. Available in a few different colorways. These are made from anodized aluminum, nice high quality. And it's real simple the way these work. When it comes time to do an oil change, when you're ready to put new oil in your motorcycle, this just threads right into the clutch cover. So you don't have to take a funnel, put it in there and then hold it there while you're putting oil in. So you just thread this in there, and what's nice about that is, one, when you go to pour the oil in, you get a nice big opening on the top so it's easy to pour. Also, I'm sure a lot of you have had this happen before where you're filling your oil, it starts to back up a little bit, it starts to spill out the edges. Well, because this is threaded in, it eliminates that from happening. And what I like too is that when you're done pouring the oil in, a lot of times when you pull the funnel out, you get some drippage on the floor. With this, you can just leave it in there, walk away for a few minutes, come back when it's fully drained, unthread it, and then put your oil cap back on, you're good to go. So it's a cool accessory to have, again, from Dirt Tricks. If you do have questions or comments, we will get those answered, so make sure to leave those below. To grab one, you can click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. While on the product page, just enter the make, model, and the year of your motorcycle. You're gonna be good to go. If you like this little product spotlight, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel and stay up to date. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.